In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change daily budget in Google Ads. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to set a daily amount that aligns with your goals without any confusion. First, open your Google Ads account. Once you're in, look to the left-hand menu and go to the Campaigns view. This is where all your active and paused campaigns are listed. If you don't see it immediately, make sure you're on the main account overview and not inside a specific ad group or report. Next, choose the specific campaign you want to adjust. Selecting the correct campaign matters because each campaign's budget is managed individually unless you're using a shared budget. When you've clicked into the campaign, look for the Edit option. Click Edit, then choose Change Budget. If you don't see Edit, check that you have the right permissions on the account. Now you'll see a place to select the budget type. Click to select the budget type and choose Average Daily. Average Daily is Google's standard budgeting method. It allows Google Ads to optimize delivery throughout the month by spending a little more on high traffic days and a little less on slow days. While daily spend can vary, your monthly total should average out to about your daily amount times the average number of days in a month. Enter the amount you want to spend per day. Pick a number that fits your goals and comfort level. If you're testing new targeting or creative, it's smart to start with a modest amount and scale up as you see consistent results. Keep in mind, increasing your budget can expand reach and accelerate learning, while decreasing it may slow delivery. When you're ready, click Apply to save your changes. This takes effect quickly and you'll start seeing the impact in your metrics soon after. If you're using automated bid strategies, the system may adjust pacing to align with your new budget, so give it a bit of time to stabilize. Also, if your campaign is part of a shared budget, the option may look different. In that case, ensure you're adjusting the correct budget type for this campaign. That's all there is to it. You went to your Google Ads account, opened Campaigns, picked the right campaign, used Edit to change the budget, selected Average Daily, entered your new amount, and clicked Apply. Monitor performance over the next couple of days and refine as needed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.